Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. The Ghost Monday has begun. I'm talking about the sit-at-home order being made by the indigenous people of Biafra and later suspended, and of course, autopilot activated. A lot of persons have been looking forward to see the actions and reactions come another Monday in the southeastern zone. As we speak, it looks like the people also have decided. But before the people decided by their actions, hear what Ipob and of course the Ebonyi security persons have got to say ahead or hours into the sit-at-home order. Well, let's before we go into the news to wrap all this into what is going on right now in the southeastern zone, and of course what Ipob and the lawmakers, law enforcers have got to say over the same sit-at-home order. I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has alleged that security operatives, in collaboration with some politicians, have perfected plans to disguise as members of the Eastern Security Network, otherwise known as ESN, to enforce the sit-at-home order it had relaxed. Spokesman for the group, that's Ima Powerful, in a statement yesterday, warned residents of the Southeast, especially traders, to be wary of the plot. He claimed the perpetrators would come under the guise of Ipob volunteers to create chaos. Security agencies have perfected plans to unleash attacks on innocent people in the name of ESN and Ipob volunteers. We have no plans again to enforce any sit-at-home order. They want to wear jeans trousers and combat knicker jeans and brand it ESN and Ipob volunteers. Our people should resist any attempt by anybody to attack them come today. Fleet of Hilux vehicles have also been set aside for this assignment. Our people need to be cautious, powerful, alert. The group has directed the sit-at-home order in solidarity with their leader Nnamdi Kanu, who is facing trials in an Abuja court, but relaxed it to days he would appear in court following appeals from a section of group populace. Powerful said, "We want to put the word, especially resident of Biafra land, that Ipob has since 2 weeks ago suspended its initially declared Monday sit-at-home order. It therefore makes no sense that we will at the same time be enforcing the suspended order." Ipob restates that there is no longer Ghost Mondays in Biafra land in solidarity with our detained leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Sit-at-home will only be observed on the days our leader will be making appearances in court. Such days will be well publicized ahead of time. Everybody is hereby placed on alert about this wicked plot. Ipob will not tolerate any attack on any Biafran or resident of Biafra under any guise. People should be allowed to go about their businesses without any molestation or harassment. We are warning politicians and traitors, including security agents, who have designed to destroy Ipob and tarnish our hard-earned global reputation, to retrace their steps. Biafrans are free to come out tomorrow and today and every other Monday to do their normal businesses. All market leaders in Biafra land are advised to comply with this directive and ensure their markets are open for business. Meanwhile, the disownment of Radio Biafra director Simeon Ipob has confirmed serious cracks within Ipob. In a memo jointly released by National Coordinator of the group Anthony Obasi, National Secretary Chika Madu, and Victoria Nwada, National Financial Secretary, Ipob Finland branch, denied Ipob's membership of the group even in Finland, where he said he is based. Ipob was earlier clarified to be Kanu's successor of Radio Biafra, only for the group to make a U-turn and disown him. The group in the memo said Ipob family members worldwide over the issues is as to whether Simeon Ipob is a registered member of Ipob Finland or not, where he is resident, with the Ipob Finland family under the command and leadership of Nnamdi Kanu wish to make it categorically clear to whom it may concern that Ipob is not a member of Ipob before now. Until date, he is still not a registered member. According to our records, the memo has been issued to set the record straight before all and sundry that henceforth anybody that is dealing with Ipob on issues concerning Ipob worldwide will consequently have himself or herself to blame. There was a clash of counter directives of sit-at-home order in solidarity of the leader of the group facing trials at the courts by the family and the heads of the group. Now we have gotten a head start on what is going on, but right now as we speak, in southeastern zone, you can see already that people have started making their statement. If you can see the pictures on beneath, you notice that people are already sitting at home regardless of the suspension, it has been like they will always say it is already auto-activated. People are taking their stand and they're like activated. They said autopilot activated in some quarters. Some persons are already saying happening now live in Abia State. There's ever busy Furak roads that leads to Osusu and to other parts of Ariaria market. Still no movement. It is deserted. Sit-at-home order enforced. This is really serious. This one here said, despite the suspension of the sit-at-home order in Enugu Road in Suka, our leader Nnamdi Kanu has led us to so far, okay, that self-determination is a fundamental right of the people. People are talking. This one here is saying, oh my God, there's already almost heavy compliance of the sit-at-home order, despite the fact that they said there's no sit-at-home that was suspended. I guess people are willingly staying back at home. Honestly, they are. Everybody's now ghost town activated, free Mazin Africano. Oh my God, everywhere a lot of pictures are coming up. A lot of persons are at home, especially in major markets. All right, you've heard what Emma Powerful said, that some persons may be disguising as ESM members to ensure sit-at-home order. But I think the people generally don't want trouble. Okay, if they say sit-at-home, no sit-at-home, there seem to be clash of orders. IPOB says sit-at-home. Some persons are saying autopilot activated. Sit-at-home continues. The will of the people should rule and all that. So, when there's a clash in order and you are not in the position of power, wisdom demands you shift your head. Life is one until but in Ebonyi State, okay, let me take that very quickly. In Ebonyi State, the police and other security agencies in Ebonyi State have said they would embark on a statewide intensive patrols as part of effort to protect lives and property over the sit-at-home order by the indigenous people of Biafra. Recall that IPOB had fixed Monday every week for each sit-at-home program. The police, in a statement by its spokesperson DSP Lovett Order, warned against any group or organizers of the sit-at-home program to stay clear of such an order. We warn any group or persons planning to disrupt the lawful activities of law-abiding citizens to desist from it. According to the statement, the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ali Ugaba, directed the area commanders, divisional police officers, head of tactical operational units to monitor the activities of the group. CP Gaba reiterates the command zero tolerance for lawlessness, as the security agencies in the state would no longer fold their hands and watch any group of persons infringe on the fundamental rights of the law-abiding citizens in the state in the name of sit-at-home order. He urged the citizens to go about their lawful businesses without fear of intimidation or harassment. The general public, especially parents and guardians, should monitor and discourage their children or wards from engaging in any unlawful activity or criminal activities, as long as the long arm of the law definitely will catch up with any criminal, the commissioner warned. All right, let's meet in the comment section of giving you cross-section of what is going on. We keep giving you updates as things unfold in Southeastern region. Let's interact in our comment section, please. What's your take? Do have